This is 40 Earle Street. It's a nice little cape in a quiet little area of Bangor, commonly referred to as Little City. Right down there you've got Broadway, and 395 exit is right up the street. So it is an easy jump. You're literally 2 minutes to most of Bangor for shopping and that kind of stuff. It's an easy, quick 10 minutes up to the university. It's walking distance to St. Joe's Hospital. So really nice location in a desirable area. Not to skip the backyard. So the owner bought this a couple years ago, lived here for part of the year as they snowbirded to Florida. And they just moved out yesterday. They fenced the yard after they bought it. So it does have a mostly fenced yard. A little section over here is not, but you have a neighbor's fence here. So it's hard to find fence yards with rental homes. So pretty desirable that way too. It does have off-street parking for a couple vehicles, no issue. Probably could fit 3 if you had to. The house is basically Cape style, 2-bedroom, 1-bath on the first floor with an additional bedroom or office and bonus room upstairs. So it's an eating kitchen. Fridge actually should probably be over the wall, but there's plenty of room for a table, or somebody could do an island if they wanted to. At some point, they did do new kitchen cabinets here. It's kind of galley style, but it's got a dishwasher, a built-in microwave, and it's a Korean sink countertop. The floor plan, I guess we'll do it this way. So you've got living room. It's got original hardwood floors. The owner's willing to put down a couple area rugs if somebody wants them, but some people do, some people don't. House does have all replacement windows, which a lot of people don't think of, but it is a nice feature. The living room is pretty good size. It does have a Nest thermostat, so if you like to control your heat and temperatures and stuff, you can do it, or you can just leave it set. And then it's got a good size. It's a big first floor bedroom here. Could do a king size bed here, no problem. It has a closet over in the corner. It does have a little like front porch. Put a couple chairs out here or something if you wanted to. With the driveway on the side and the entry on the side, I think it basically gets used mostly for entry on that side. You do have the stairs here, which I'll go this way on my phone just so it's easier. They did all new flooring up here just last year, I think it is. So as you come up here, you've got a bedroom here. I guess I'll flip back on this side. It does have a closet over in the corner. And decent size, and then around the corner you've got like a bonus room that's really big. So they actually had this set up as a bedroom, and that just is like storage. So could be versatile. If somebody works from home, this would be really great space. The having that upstairs space. Or if somebody had somebody they lived with or had family that was going to be coming over, it'd be good use that way too. We'll be doing a little touch-up paint. I don't think it needs a lot. It is brand new flooring in the kitchen and the bath. And it does have another bedroom over on this side, or again, could be an office, or however somebody wanted. It has a regular sized closet there. And then it's got the bathroom here, which is a full bath. It's kind of tucked in, but it's all in good shape. It has a medicine cabinet. A little like a towel rack up there. And then you do have a pantry here, which is nice because you do have a small kitchen. So having a space to put like canned goods and that kind of stuff, it's nice for that. And then the house has a full basement. So you've got storage and washer dryer. It does come with a washer dryer. That's a little unusual perhaps, but they did update the electrical panel, so it's got all circuit breakers over there. And then you notice here it's got washer dryer, and it does have a furnace and an oil tank. The house does burn oil. It's a hot water boiler for a furnace. The basement does have a little bit of storage, mostly like building supply stuff left. The owner did leave an air conditioner if somebody wants it. I don't really need one on the first floor, but upstairs is nice if you can use that space. And they did leave a dehumidifier. If you put anything for storage in a basement in our area, at least spring through fall, you should run a dehumidifier. This time of year, it's dry. You don't really need it very much once you get to fall. But if you leave it like this, you don't need anything. If you put a bunch of cardboard boxes down here and you didn't run a dehumidifier, you might end up with mildew or moisture on whatever you do. So if you put stuff down here, run a dehumidifier, you don't tend to have that issue. I think I haven't forgotten anything, but I probably have. If you'd be interested, it is available right away. You can message us and let us know. And happy to answer questions. You can do our rental application right on our rentbangor.com.